Okay, so this is knife box preparation as it comes in. I'm gonna grab a case of boxes from BVRS that are stained. You wanna check the box, make sure that it has good logoing. This is a perfect example of bad logoing. The H on Hoback is not fully marked, so we will throw this lid out and we will get another one. Some of these are somewhat poor, so you have to make sure that it's marked properly. You want to inspect the box to make sure there are no cracks. It's visually appealing, everything looks good. The lid slides in freely, and we'll go from there. Grab your foam. It has a plug in it. You want to insert the foam into the box with the plug inserted. Just put it in there and it'll just drop right in. You want to make sure that it's flush with the bottom and the foam is not puckered up anywhere. And then remove the plug. And then typically you would have a thinner piece in here as well. That would go back in. The thicker piece goes in the box that we use for box filler when we send packages out. Then reinstall the lid. And as a side note, we always have the flipper and pivot to the left. Left is correct for all you lefties out there. That's foam installation. Your lid back on, and it's done.